Module 3 continues with Part D, Simple Options to a Simple Event. Send-event.pl will be used to send the node ID and interface associated with the event at different severities, 3 parameters, the event description overriding the value in the event definition file, the event log message overriding the value in the event definition file, is this even possible? Then the event's definition will change so that the event is only logged in the DB. It will not be sent to the GUI. The simple tutorial events definition is in the inset. The log message destination determines what will happen to an event of this class. Currently, simple tutorial events are logged, put into the database, and displayed. The destination disposition is logged in the DB event table entry for this event using the columns event log and event display. Entering the PSQL password each time an SQL script is run from the command line is time-consuming. To remedy that, PSQL connection information can be stored in a file, in this case var ephemera pg.pass. The contents of the file are colon-separated for host, port, database, user, and password. The file's permissions should be 600. The file is referenced by the environment variable pg.passfile. Test this using PSQL and the var ephemera pg.sql file. This should work without prompting for the password. Send the simple tutorial event with a node ID and interface. Check the DB entry for the event. Note the presence of a node ID and interface in the entry. Check the event's list all web page. A refresh may be necessary. The node ID has been translated to the node label associated with the node ID and the interface is present. Click on the event ID in the far left column to view the event web page. Send the simple tutorial event with a severity indicator using -X security level, where security level runs from 1 to 7 or intermediate to critical. There is no need to check the database for this sample. Check the events list all web page. A refresh may be necessary. Multiple instances of the sample tutorial event, each with a different severity and color coding, are present. Send the simple tutorial event with 3 parameters, var1 equal value 1, var2 equal value 2, and var3 equal value 3. Check the DB entry for the event. Note the value of the parm_value, wherein each of the parameters are separated from the others with commas. Check the event's list all web page. A refresh may be necessary. The parameters are visible on this list page. Send the simple tutorial event with a description meant to override the simple tutorial event's definition description value. Check the DB entry for the event. Note that the event description has changed to the send event description argument value. Note the event ID is 84. Check the event's list all web page. A refresh may be necessary. Event descriptions are available on the events web page. And there it is. Across the board, an event's log message cannot be overridden. This is defined in the eventconf.xml file as shown. Send the simple tutorial event with a log message meant to override the simple tutorial event's log message definition. Check the DB entry for the event. Note that the event log message has not changed to the send event log message argument value. The log message remains that which is defined in the simple tutorial events definition. Edit the Tutorial.events.xml file. Change the log message destination from login display to log only. Save and close the file. Using send-event, reload the event daemon configuration using the command shown. Send the simple tutorial event with a description indicating that the event will not be seen in the GUI. Check the DB entry for the event. The send event description held and the event log column is Y and the event display column is N. Note the event ID of 88. Check the Events List All web page. No matter how many refreshes are performed, the event with event ID 88 will never show up. Reset the sample tutorial events log message destination value to login display in the Tutorial.events.xml file. Save and close the Tutorial.events.xml file. Using send-event, reload the event daemon configuration using the command shown. Send the simple tutorial event with a description indicating that the event will be seen in the GUI. Check the DB entry for the event. The send event description held and the event log column is Y and the event display column is Y. Note the event ID is 91. Check the Events List All web page. A refresh may be necessary. The event with event ID 91 is visible and the description is as expected. This concludes the event coverage video. The configuration files were explained and a simple tutorial event was defined. The OpenNMS script send-event.pl was used to reload the event configuration and to send events. An SQL script was created to help view the last event added to OpenNMS. And events are visible on the OpenNMS web page starting from Status, Events, All Events. Coming up, Module 4, OpenNMS Notifications.